Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another exercise, chapter number 76. So get started. Question number 1. Look at the URL shown above and tell me the value of currently viewing. It's a string, so enclose it in quotes. We have variable current viewing and we are checking for window.location.href. So its window location is this. This is the URL. So we will write in a string http colon slash slash www.a.com slash pages slash b dot html hash 2. So this is this window location href. Okay, so check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Question number 2 is look at the URL above and tell me the value of current site. Current site की value बताना है. It's a string to include in quotes. ठीक है, कोर्स में बता देंगे. करंट साइट में लिख दिया विंडो डॉट लोकेशन डॉट होस्ट नेम. सो होस्ट नेम कौन सा है? दिस इज द होस्ट नेम. So we have to write it in string. I'll write www.a.com. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Look at the URL shown above. This URL. Tell me the value of current page. Includes in quotes. It's a string. Okay. Window location dot path name. So the path name here is slash we have to write it in string slash pages slash b dot html slash b dot html. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Look at the URL above and tell me the value of page section. It's a string, so includes it in quotes window dot location dot hash. So I will write the hash location hash in string hash hash 2. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Drag and drop, detect the URL and assign it to variable where we at. Okay. Variable where we at equal to window dot location dot href and semicolon. So check our code against the correct code. So this is correct. Variable where we at equals to window dot location dot href. So close this window and I will hit. I got it right. Okay. Detect the current site and assign it to variable the site which hasn't been declared beforehand. So I'll write where the site equal to window dot location dot host name semicolon and our answer is correct. Okay, the URL is this code the statement that assigns the highlighted portion of the URL to the variable the page which hasn't been declared before. Okay, variable the page equals window dot location dot path name semicolon and our answer is correct. Next question. Code a statement that detects the current URL and assign it to a variable that hasn't been declared before yet. Okay, variable for example current URL equal to window dot location dot href semicolon. Check an answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Code the statement that detects the current site and assign it to a variable that hasn't been declared yet. Detects the current site. Okay. Variable same. We'll write a current site equal to window dot location dot host name semicolon and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Code the first line of an if statement that tests whether the home page with no HTML file specified is currently loaded in the browser. Okay, we write if structure if window dot location dot path name is, we write here in a single quote or a double quote like slash. This is, then do the more. Answer is correct. Next question. Have the browser navigate to the URL from uk.com. Okay, you're right. Window.location.href equal to http colon slash slash www.uk.com semicolon. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. The string this has been assigned to variable address. Okay. Add the anchor this to variable, then use the variable to move the browser to the anchor. Okay. We have the assigned to address. Okay. Address plus equal to hash paragraph. We copy it from here, paste it here. Hash paragraph semicolon. Next line window dot location dot href equal to address semicolon. This is the correct answer, and we have the second option to write this one address equal address plus this string. Okay, move forward. Code a statement that detects the current URL, assign it to a variable that hasn't been declared before. Okay, it's a timer now. वही पुराना काम repeat हो रहा है, so I will write current URL equals to window dot location dot href semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Code a statement that detects the current site. Current site क्यों बना देते हैं? Okay. Where current site equal to window dot location dot host name semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Code the first line of if statement that tests whether the home page with no HTML specified. अभी किया था तो दोबारा से कर लेते हैं. If window dot location dot href is equal to slash, then do the following. Check our answer. Answer is oh yeah, हमने गलत की लिखा है href लिख दिया है, जबकि हमसे ये पूछ रहा था कि आपने चेक करना है करंटली लोडेड पेज में, तभी हमने डॉट पाथ नेम को यूज करना था. ओके. Next question. Have the browser navigate to the URL for UK. Okay. Window dot location dot href equal to the http colon slash slash www.uk.com semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. The string is this has been assigned to variable this. Add the anchor to this. Okay. जो अभी किया था वही दोबारा से आ गया, तो एड्रेस में हमने रख दिया फॉर एग्जांपल. अब ये सेकंड वाला तरीका अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. एड्रेस प्लस हैश पैराग्राफ 17 paragraph 17 semicolon. Next window dot location dot href equal to address semicolon, and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Question number 17. The URL is this. Code the statement that assign the highlighted portion of URL to the variable the page. Okay, where the page equal to window dot location dot path name. This is a path name, so write it path name, and it's assigned to the page. Answer is correct. Next question. Display the current URL in alert. Current URL को alert में display करना है, so I will write alert window dot location dot href, और ये हमें रन करके दे देगा. I got it right. The next question is display the current path in the alert. Okay. We'll write alert window dot location dot path name and we'll run it. Yes, it's running. Path name हमें दे दी है. I will hit. I got it right. Code the first line of if. Okay. Question number 15 पे वापस आएगा to check the home page. So I will write if window dot location dot path name equal to slash and check our answer. Our answer is correct and hence our exercise is completed. Stay tuned for the next exercise. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.